It came to me as a total surprise because I always thought that deaf people can read or comprehend textual context. But our graphic designer, he couldn't even follow a simple Wikipedia article. This is mainly because of oralism. Oralism teaches deaf people to communicate through lip reading and speech therapy rather than sign language. Out of 18 million deaf people in India, most of them struggle with reading comprehension. And this is because oralism is imposed on deaf children. This leads to widespread sign language illiteracy, which really hampers their learning process. Even when they learn to read, they are not very comfortable with it, as they miss out on early language acquisition. As an attempt to resolve this, we created Blee TV, where we have a huge library of videos in Indian Sign Language. And soon enough, we got a lot of engagement. But to really make a difference, we realized that we had to come up with an educational program focusing on ISL for 3 to 13-year-olds. So now we've partnered with many special schools across Maharashtra, providing them tablets with ISL lessons. Because even the teachers in these special schools are not very fluent in ISL. So we have our own deaf certified ISL trainers who train these teachers as well as the students.
तिला जेव्हा मी सांकेतिक भाषेची ओळख करून दिली त्यावेळेस ती वेगवेगळे प्रश्न विचारायला लागली. विशेषतः विज्ञान विषयातील प्रश्नोत्तरं तिला चांगले समजायला लागले. आणि त्यावेळेस मला कळालं की सांकेतिक भाषेची शक्ती काय आहे आणि ब्ली टीव्ही काय साध्य करू इच्छिते हे मला त्यावेळेस त्याची जाणीव झाली.
Through 65 schools, we are now reaching more than 1200 children today. The videos on our app have over 1 million views. During the pandemic, we created accessible workbooks for the students and delivered them at their homes to help them stay connected with learning. Back when I was in college, I saw a dance performance by deaf kids. And I thought to myself that how did they acquire the skills to function in a world where, say, everybody else is a step ahead of them? It was the spark that I needed, which put me on this pursuit of creating something that will enable them to be on an equal footing with their hearing peers. Along the way, I also learned ISL because I really wanted to speak with my teammates and the students directly. Because we all have a strong desire to connect with the people around us. It's a human thing.